What's up, investors? Today we are diving deep into a stock that's been crushed, Novo Nordisk. It's down a massive 70% in the last year. We'll break down my personal stock screening process, figure out why it's taking such a hit, and then I will give you my official buy, sell, or watch verdict. Stick around to the end for the key takeaways and how you can use this stock screening process. All right, let's talk about Novo Nordisk. This Danish company is an absolute giant valued at over 240 billion. They are the global market leaders in two massive areas, diabetes care and weight loss treatments. But they also dabble in protein therapies and hormone treatments. Get this, in 2023, Novo Nordisk market value actually exceeded the entire GDP of Denmark. That's how huge they are. Ozempic and Wegovy are the two main products. So, if you have type 2 diabetes, you would have heard of Ozempic. This drug works by mimicking an hormone called GLP-1. Basically, it tells your pancreas to release more insulin, which helps control your blood sugar. It also has a cool side effect. It slows down your stomach emptying, which is key to its success. Now let's talk about Wegovy. This is Novo Nordisk's another blockbuster drug, specifically developed for weight loss. If diet and exercise is not helping, your doctor might prescribe this. So how does it work? It's simple. It crushes your cravings, meaning you naturally eat fewer calories. It's been hailed as a new major weapon in the world's fight against obesity. There's a huge problem because demand is so huge, a black market has popped up. People are selling compounded drugs. These are slight variations that might not have the actual ingredients of the real medicine. Basically, you could be buying a fake or a diluted version. Now, let's talk about the global opportunity, especially in India. With a massive population of 1.4 billion and over 100 million people already suffering from diabetes, India represents a truly huge potential market. In late September 2025, India approved Ozempic for type 2 diabetes treatment. If Novo Nordisk can successfully tap into that market, it could give their sales a major boost. Now, check out the chart. As of September 28th, 2025, this stock has been absolutely hammered. In just 1 year, it crashed a massive 70% from its peak. Ouch. That's a huge drop we need to understand. So, what are the challenges Nova is facing right now? The latest half yearly results included a major profit warning, and they are expecting a lower sales mainly due to tariff and other complicated geopolitical factors impacting their business. Another factor hitting the market is a change in leadership. They got a new CEO called Mazia Mike. He's been with the company since 1992. He's not a newbie, but any major CEO change still causes investor concern and it can spook the market. Finally, we can't ignore the competition. Eli Lilly. It's stepping into the space with their own weight loss product called Monjaro. It's been shown to be so much effective, similar to Wegovy. And as you can guess, this seriously threatens Novo's market share and reduces the overall sales. Finally, investor confidence has been hit by few factors like lawsuits against the black market drug compounders, new tariffs in the crucial US market, and just a negative sentiment towards healthcare. Healthcare, this is not helping them. Investment perspective. First, the valuation. A PE ratio of 13 as of September 2025 and RSI of 35 makes the stock look undervalued right now, especially compared to competitors like Eli Lilly. Second, the future is bright. There is massive, strong demand for these obesity and diabetes treatment drugs. As part of their diversification efforts, the company also has a solid pipeline of new therapies coming down the road. So, Balancing all these pros and cons, here's my personal take as a value investor. I strongly believe this stock is currently undervalued, and my verdict is to buy this stock at this current price. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice. This is just my personal investment case. Will the stock price jump? Will I lose money? Honestly, I do not know. All I know is that I've followed a process, and looking at the process, this stock looks undervalued. And I believe that by holding on to this stock for the next 5 years, I expect the price to recover and also exceed so that I could make some profit. I've already put my money where my mouth is and bought 105 shares as of September 2025. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. As mentioned by Warren Buffett, it's important to be greedy when others are fearful. Key takeaways: always analyze the stock that you like to purchase, doing both qualitative and quantitative analysis. Follow your own stock screening process. I hope that my process would have helped you. Do your own research before committing. If you like the stock analysis process, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps me make more stock screener videos just like this one.